Hello, my dear one students. Today we are going to start History, chapter number 6, Towns, Traders and Craft Person. So let us start. Our first topic is the process of urbanization in medieval India. In this topic, we will learn about major city of Buddhist learning. That's called Nalanda city. Next, we will learn about Hatta. What is the meaning of Hatta? It means lined with shops. Mandapika, it means market. Villagers come and sold items. Next, first phase of urbanization during the Indus Valley civilization. Second phase of urbanization, Gangetic Plain during pre-Maurya times. And third phase of urbanization, it's till 8th to 18th century in India. Towns emerged as important sites for different activities. Our next topic is types of town. First one, administrative centers or court town. Towns as headquarters for administration of the whole empire. Thanjavur, the capital of the Chola dynasty, is very important on that time. Administrative towns are Allahabad and Ajmer, and important court towns are Lahore, Agra and Delhi. Next, temple towns and pilgrimage centers. The Brihadeshwara temple in Thanjavur, constructed by King Raja Raja. Pilgrimage centers turn into townships like Vrindavan and Tiruvannamalai. Pilgrims donated money to the temples and they are getting by the pilgrimage donation a lot of monies. Towns emerged around temples like Bilaswamin, Kanchipuram, Madurai, Somnath and Tirupati. Our third point is commercial towns or trade centers. Trade added taught he wealth of India. Commercial towns are towns that remain primarily commercial centers. Commercial centers are Dhaka in Bengal and Multan in Pakistan. Banjaras, trade communities, they are migrating one place to another place for trade. Next, port towns. In port towns, traders in South India, commerce beyond Southeast Asia with the ports of the Red Sea, Persian Gulf and East Africa. Important port towns are Surat, Cambay, Broch, Lahore, Bandar and Raj Mahal. In 17th century in India, development of different towns in all over the country, and in the same time crafts, cloth making, spinning, weaving, dyeing and synthesis will work on. Now, crafts production center. In craft production center, we will learn about rural craftsmen, skilled workers, entrepreneur, it means new businessmen, move to rising cities and towns. Craft person communities and craft they were famous for. First, Bidar. Bidar means inlay work or bidri in copper and silver. The Panchalas or Vishwakarma constructions are very important during that time. Salyar or Kakliors created flags, different types of flags they are making on that time. Satapatis or sculptors of Swami Malai executes bronze idols, tall ornamentals, bell metals, lamps. Kanchipuram, They are constructed or doing construction of temples and saris weavings. Now we will learn about the major towns during the Middle time. First one, Hampi. Hampi, nucleus of Vijayanagara Empire. During 15th to 16th century, a hub of commercial and cultural activities are there. In Hampi, trading communities are Moors, Chattis and Portuguese. Vijayanagara Empire defeated by the Deccan Sultan in 1565. Now we will move to Surat. In Surat, a cosmopolitan city and called the gate to Mecca. The textiles were famous for intricate zari work. Hundi system. Hundi system means an informal system for transferring money here to there. End of the 17th century in Surat declined the importance of Surat as the trade capital. Now, third point is Masuli Patnam. In Masuli Patnam, lay on the bank of the Krishna river. In 1686 to 1687, Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb annexed Golconda, lost its prosperity in the 8th century. Traders moved to Bombay, Calcutta and Madras. Our last topic is new towns and traders. During 16th and 17th centuries, East India companies came to India to gain control over the sea routes and local trade. Commercial and political powers of foreign companies increased day by day on that time, and strict control on the craft person. English East India Company, black towns and white towns, they are made. In old centers of trade lost importance. Bombay, Madras and Calcutta are new centers of powers and trade. My dear one students, this is all about of the chapter. If you have still any doubt, any query, you are freely to ask me in a live session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.